Hello nail lovers, it's Betty. In this video I will show you how to make quick and easy winter nail design, which I think in this moment is very popular. I will make a bronze chrome design combined with chameleon gel color. I will guide you through this process step by step so you can do them on your own at your home. Don't forget to subscribe for more and regular uploads. So, let's begin. First, you should remove the old gel from the nails. I am removing the old gel with an electric file. Push back the cuticles and then, with a special cuticle drill bit, clean under the cuticles. Next step is to file the nails with an 180 grit nail file. Shape the free edge of the nail, file the form you want. In this case, I am filing the nails in the ballerina shape. After the filing, apply the dehydrator on all nails and after that apply primer. Apply base gel only on the natural nail plate and cure for 2 minutes. Apply builder gel on all nails and cure for 2 minutes. I'm filing the nails with an electric file and then I'm using a 150 grit nail file to shape the free edges of the nail and to make stress zone on the nail properly. Remove the dust from the nails after filing. Now apply black color gel on all nails and make sure to apply the color as close as possible to the cuticles. You can apply chameleon gel on 2 nails. In my case, I am applying chameleon on second and the third finger. After this, cure the color for 1 minute. For the rest of the nails, I am applying top coat gel no fix and I am curing for 2 minutes. soft brush, apply the chrome evenly on the nail. You don't need to cure this, just remove the dust and apply the top coat and cure it for 2 minutes. So this is the final result. I hope you liked this video, so please subscribe for more regular uploads and share the video to your friends and nail technicians if you like the design.